Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Today, we are on another adventure, and I am bringing you guys along for this little short trip. Today, we are in a spot in the south of France that is called Provence, Colorado, or Colorado Provence. Either way, it's where a spot literally look like a spot in Arizona with that orange, bright looking stone, dirt kind of area. And I always want to come here because of the photos I've seen online. And we're here today because I'm off from work for the next 4 days. Come, Sarah. So I took some days off from work because the kids are heading back to school on Monday. So we're out. Sarah, come. Say hello.
Hello.
So that's where we're at today. We're here with Babe, one of Babe's really good friend from his church. He's also Tyler's godfather. So he's spending the day with us, or we're spending the day together. Yeah, so it's like a little hike. Yes, Ty.
We put water
And it
down,
goes.
it go over there.
Mm-hmm.
Where there's all the water.
Yeah, Ty, say hello.
Hello.
Sarah, say hi. Look.
And Mama, it go here.
And it goes down in the stream. Yes. Go on. Follow Papa. So we have some other things planned for the day today, but I don't know exactly where we'll end up. But let me give you a little. So originally we planned to wake up this morning at 8:30 and to leave home by 9:30. Just about when we almost get ready, fully ready. Sarah was ready, Tyler was ready, Babe was ready. I was partially ready with only my hair left to comb. Babe said, honey, do you have cash on you? I said, I'm not sure. Let me check my wallet. Go in my handbag. No wallet. My wallet was missing. Can you tell this is a face of a person who lost her wallet with every single credit debit card and my ID, my shopping supermarket cards, everything lost. But when I tell you that God is so good to me, I'm gonna give you a little story of how I got back my wallet. So we searched the house up and down, we searched everywhere. Could we find a wallet? No wallet. But last night we drove here and I stopped at McDonald's and get some nuggets because I was so hungry, and I took my wallet out of my bag, but we end up didn't losing it.
Mama!
Look at Tyler. He's climbing. Fais attention, hein? Sarah, no. No, Sarah.
La descente à
Sarah, no. Come. You don't go. Look, brother can't even come down. Look at them. Adventurous, huh? So, I was saying that we look everywhere in the house this morning. Hold on, Sarah. Look in every bag. No wallet couldn't be found. I was so... What is it? What happened? You want to go up? Okay, when we're coming back, Mama will put you up there, okay? So I look in every handbag, look in everything. No wallet couldn't be found this morning. So literally my anxiety kicked in. I felt like I was gonna pass out. Literally diarrhea, everything in one. This morning I couldn't find my wallet, so I lost it with every single thing inside. So Babe remembered that he saw a group of people outside last night. When we pull up to my mother-in-law's house, we were staying with my mother-in-law. So my mother-in-law asked him to describe the people that he saw outside when we pull up at the car. Yes.
The sun is red, but red.
Okay. So he described, look, Sarah, look, go with Tyler, he show you. So he described the people, and my mother-in-law said, okay, but that description only fit one person who live upstairs. Let me ring his doorbell and ask him if he found anything outside last night. Luckily enough, she rang the doorbell, and the gentleman who answered the doorbell said, "Yes, we found it, and it's the other neighbor that had it." So, babe was lucky enough to go to the neighbor and got my wallet back with everything inside. I honestly don't remember how much money I had in it, but it came back with 20 euros. I really don't care at this point. I'm just happy I got all my papers back. Sarah, come! You're touching the sand? So that's the story. It just tell you that there's hope and there's still wonderful people in this world, and I can't thank that person enough to return my wallet. They actually said that they had planned to take it to the police because they couldn't figure out who in the complex it belongs to, but thank God I got it back. No, enough of that. The day could have turned out differently. I didn't plan on going anywhere if I didn't find it. Yeah, so we are on the adventure for the day. We're 2 hours behind, but 2 hours, that's okay. We got back what was lost last night. So apparently I had it in between my legs after the McDonald's shopping, and I got out the car and it just fell right there, but thank God it was returned. I found it. This little girl wants to stay in this red sand. Come on, Sarah, we have to go catch back Papa. So this is how the sand look in Colorado, Provence. Red, orange, bright orange. So we are heading to the midpoint where you see the rocks and more of this bright orange. I wonder what causes it to be this bright orange. And as I'm sneezing, I'm not feeling well either. I'm getting sick. I'm sneezing like crazy. My throat hurting. But anyway, so much things going on today. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the little bits and pieces of today's vlog, where I will take you on another adventure. Enjoy the vlog. Subscribe if you're new, guys. And his friend in front, Tyler, is way up there. And Sarah going walking in the sun. You having fun in the sun, princess? Yeah. She just want to play in it and kick it and stay right there. Come on, we can't stay here. Come. Beauty of nature. We have over here white sand, and then over here orange sand, not even 2 steps away. Look at that. Sarah is on the white side and I'm on the orange side. Nature is amazing. You're playing in the white sand, princess? You're drawing the flowers. Come on, Papa gone. Let's go catch him. Go catch Papa. See him there. Colorado. Baby, I know what was wrong with my phone. The light wasn't turned up.
I think that the ways they block it for fire alert.
Uh-oh.
Mama,
Yes, Sarah?
the mountain.
Oh, so we can't go further beyond, we can't go beyond the rope. Uh-oh. So we won't get to see the real beauty. Maybe that's why I saw the other person turn back.
You see that? Is the rock.
Mm-hmm. It's the changement of color that I'm intrigued by. Look at the rock. Stand still in the air. Me too, because you're in the sun, daughter. That's normal. Come.
To go to the sun.
You have to go to the sun. That's okay. Tyler is enjoying the adventure.
The sun.
Yes. But it's hot. You guys, it's so hot. So, if you want to add this to your adventure outdoor list, if you're on the Provence,
It hurts.
then I highly recommend. Where hurt? Where I hold your hand hurt?
Yes.
Okay, then go. Mama won't hold your hand. Go. That's better? Where's Tyler? Look at him.
Okay. Now not sure.
Fais attention, s'il te plaît.
Where is it going, Tyler?
He's gone on another road. You want to go with him?
No.
Okay, you wanna stay with me? Okay, come. The sun ain't doing no justice to this sneezing child. But we move. Oh, we're in the middle. I'm just fascinated by the different colors of the mountainside and the rocks. It's so pretty. Come on. You're having fun, huh?
I can't jump.
Okay. Gonna jump?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, jump! Boom! Good job. Go on. Got Sarah hand how orange it is because she's playing in the orange sun. It's okay, go. Go, I won't hold you. Go on. Good job. Bravo. I should have carried my tripod because so much happened this morning. I didn't focus on the things that I needed to carry in order to get perfect shots because my head was just explode with losing all my credit cards and all my ID and everything. And trust me when I tell you, so much is happening in my life. So much is happening in my life right now where it's not a good moment to lose my documents. I was just so heartbroken this morning. I tried to hold it together. And of course, if you know me well, I started crying. And then my mother-in-law came to me and said, Mel, we found it. Man, I feel like I won $1 million. Oh my gosh. But we're here. You're a hot princess because we're in the sun. You want to play in the sun? You want to play in the sun? Okay, we go play in the sun, Lava. Go, see Tyler over there in the sun. Go play with Tyler in the sun. She wants to play. Yes. Sarah, no. Sarah, no. Give me a hand.
I jumped.
No, stay on this one. Come. Here. Go. Oh, Lordy. She wanna be like Ty. Go on, catch Tyler.
Where are they?
In front of you, this way.
Here?
Yes, go this way.
I don't.
He's in front of you. Look all the way in front of you. You see him? Call him.
Tyler!
Wait for me. Tell him to wait for you. Ty. Sarah wanted to wait for her. Can you imagine when it's raining in this forest? The beautiful sound and scenery that there'll be. Oh, so good. Yes? You're resting, Sarah. She's like, oh, what you doing? And put up your glasses? Look.
a big, big part.
Yes, you are. So they have to keep watching to see the other video, right? Come on, let's go.
But first, we go see Mommy today.
We're going to Mommy.
We're going to Grandma today.
Yes.
Grandma
She's
and
speaking
Mommy.
French and English, you know.
Hi, Mommy.
Come on. Let's go catch the boys. The boys are gone, leave us. This boy. Come, princess, let's go. Sarah's a real life doll. Come, Tyler. Sarah, come on. Yes. Yes, I have a mouchoir. You want a mouchoir? Blow.
Allez.
Have the tallest rock in the group, in the batch. Yay! Alright, we'll leave it right there. Let's see who will challenge it to build the tallest as they pass, or who will be mean and kick it down. Come, Sarah.
Oh, wait. So Sarah can have it.
Can I drink water? Bye, Sarah. Bye. She doesn't care if I'm leaving behind. I'm coming. I'm just right here. And we've come to the end of the walk. The river is dry. The end. We've made it. Wasn't expecting that much walk today, but we've done it. Bravo, team. Yes, daughter. Change of outfit. The day hasn't finished as yet. We are on the road again after we went home, showered, changed, and going for dinner. Going to dinner with the same person who you guys saw today with Baby's friend. Going to his house. Can you guys tell that I'm tired? But when we are around Babe, family and friends, go, always, non-stop. But really wouldn't have it any other way. Alright, babe?
When you have a short time and you have to do a maximum,
Don't know when you're gonna come back.
you do the maximum.
So true. Babies are there.
Dans 500 mètres, au rond-point, prendre la deuxième sortie sur route de
Sarah, say hi.
207.
Hi.
Stella showing you guys peace, son. Anyway, guys, I'm kind of hungry, but guys, did I tell you that I just went and meet the persons that found my wallet and bought them a beautiful arcade? I should have taken a photo or a video of it, but I mean, that's okay. When she opened the door and see me, she was so shocked. She had this shocked look on her face, and she gave me 2 keys. She said thank you. She was so thankful and surprised that I came, but I'm happy that I did that, show my gratitude. Anyway, guys, good turnaround to the day. We had fun. I didn't expect that hiking that we went on to be that long, but it was worth it. It was absolutely beautiful. I always wanted to visit that place, and now I can tick it off my list. Yeah, so we're heading to dinner right now. See you guys later. Yummy. Dinner with the crew. And Tyler plate finished. Tyler already eat all of his food. He loved the shrimp. Sarah,
Hi.
Vabbè, buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
So